Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's quick tutorial video, I am going to be teaching you how to add these product bundles to your Shopify store so that you can promote different kinds of products together and promote a discount while you are doing this. As always, if you're new to the channel, then make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first step is to go to your Shopify dashboard and log in. From there, you're going to be heading over into the apps section. Then you're going to open apps and sales channel settings. From there you have to click on Shopify App Store. After being redirected to the Shopify App Store, you're going to be searching for product bundles. Once you are here in this page, you have to search for this particular app which is called Catching Bundles and Quantity Break. Click on this and then you're going to be clicking on the install button. Then you're going to install this particular app. So once the app is installed, you will be taken into a product page like this. So from here you have to click on choose a plan and start 7 days free trial. Then you have to approve this transaction and you will be taken into a page such as this. From here you can start creating your new bundle deals. So I have two random products here at my Shopify store. So let's imagine that I want to bundle both these products. So how am I going to do this? I am again going to come back to my bundles app, click on create bundle deal. And from here I can choose the type of bundle that I want to create. Now there are a lot of options available here. You can create quantity breaks for the same product, give a buy one get one free discount, or you can create quantity breaks for different kinds of products. Now in our case we want to create quantity breaks for different products, so I'm going to be choosing this option. Once you're here you can name this bundle. I'm just going to keep the name as bundle. From here you can add a discount code, but I do not have a discount code created, so I'm just going to be going by the default settings. So let me scroll down. And here you can add the visibility options, whether you want this bundle to appear in all the products in your store or only in specific products. Now since I want this bundle to appear beneath all the products, I'm going to be selecting all products here. Then one important thing that we need to do is that we need to come into this option right here. It's called volume discount bundle. Click on this and then we have to select the products that we are going to be showing on the bundle. Only these products will be selected by default when a bundle is created. So I'm going to be going on view selected. And then I'm going to be selecting this particular product. Then I'm going to go back into settings, scroll down and set this option to be update theme product price bundle price. Once that is done, I'm going to scroll down and click on publish. So here it is going to ask you to show a preview of the bundle on the store. So you can click on the preview button and look at a preview of how it would look on the storefront. So let me click on this. And this is how the product is going to appear in the storefront. So by default, it is going to show a discount on 2 packets of the same product. But if you go forward here and click on choose, you can choose a specific product and it is going to show you a discount on this product. Mind you that the prices that are being shown here are actually the compared prices of both of these products. So if you want to change this combined price, you can change the compared price from both the individual products. So that was a quick tutorial on how to add bundles to your Shopify store. If you like this tutorial and if you think that you learned something special today, then make sure that you like, subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. Have a wonderful day.